Hi guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews and I have another trunk club. So this time around I said that I basically just wanted wardrobe refresh, you know, some winter stuff, anything like holiday appropriate, and also a warm coat and maybe like hat, gloves, that kind of a thing. So let me show you what my stylist sent me, or my stylists, however they're doing it now. These are from Michael Kors and they are very cute. I do actually really like them. I also already own a very similar pair with the buckles and everything, but I love that they're not too pointy, they're not square, it's a nice classic rounded toe. The heel is pretty chunky, but it's not super heavy, and I don't know, I feel like these are very classic, but still fun with the little belts and, you know, cute booties. I just already basically own these. They sent me this pair of pants, which are from Good American, and I don't know if you can see this, but it's like a fuzzy suede feel to it, and they are size 4, and I couldn't even get them past my thighs. She even said, she's like, these run big, so I sized down, and plus they're really stretchy, and they're pretty stretchy, but still, size 4, like, was very tiny. So I'm just going to exchange these for a larger size because I love the material, and I think that, you know, if they did fit, these could be super cute and also kind of like, you know, dress up jeans kind of a thing, because they're not jeans, you know, they're like a suede pants, which I think is awesome. And then the other pants are coated. These are cut from the cloth, and they're like this eggplant color. Can you see? They're like shiny. In theory, I really like these, but they're high-waisted and ankle cut, so they just look like they don't fit me right. It's like they just hit me in a weird spot on my waist, and then the ankle cut just makes them look like they're too short on me. You know, I would rather have like a full cropped cut or long enough pants. I think that these could be super cute. They just don't fit me quite right, but I love that they sent me these fun pants and not just like another pair of jeans. And then the tops, this one is like a see-through sweater, and it's got kind of a leopard print on it, and it's definitely see-through. You would probably want to wear like a tank or something underneath this. I tried it on with just my black bra, and honestly, it wasn't bad. I kind of like see-through clothes that way. I have several shirts that are see-through, and I usually just wear a bra underneath. Sometimes a sports bra. Every once in a while I'll wear a full tank top, but I do like this. And for Southern California, I mean, it's been in the 70s all week. We're in December, and it's still very warm. So lightweight sweaters like this are good for the winter. And I thought, you know, it was cute. It can be kind of a dressed up sort of a thing, but it's also just like a casual, comfy sweater. This one, when I first saw the picture, I didn't realize that the material is actually sparkly. Can you tell that it's sparkly? And it's got that crisscross front. It isn't too scoopy, and like even when I bend over, I didn't feel like I was gonna fall out. The side of it though, it has a little bit of a weird cut, but I felt like it was still, like it wasn't so weird that it looked unflattering. It was just kind of like an, okay, that's a little awkward, but whatever. But I like the sparkly material. That does make it very festive, and the crisscross kind of cut in the front makes it just a little bit interesting. So I don't know, I like this one. I think it's pretty cute. This one I was not sure about. This was definitely one of those items where you look at and you go, okay, well, I wouldn't pick it out for myself, but who knows? Maybe once I put it on, I'll be like, yeah, this is great. I did not feel great in this. I felt a little bit like a pirate, maybe a flamenco dancer. The color is gorgeous. I love this red, and it's very festive and beautiful and fun and vibrant. I mean, I don't know. It's one of those things that I could probably still wear it and be cute and fun and festive, but I don't know that I absolutely love it. This coat is another one of those things where I saw the picture in my preview and I was like, I don't know, it looks kind of boring, a basic long black coat, but this is a gorgeous coat. But it has a nice, really slim silhouette to it, and I like the interesting crisscross in the front with the belt that ties like a robe, but because the silhouette is so slim, I didn't feel like it was bulky and unflattering. You know what I mean? A lot of times with trench coats like this, you can just feel overwhelmed by the coat, especially if they're boxy. And even though this one doesn't have like a super tapered waist or anything, which is kind of what I was hoping for, was like, you know, almost like a flared out kind of a thing. But I do feel like this is just so classically beautiful. It's just very sleek and elegant. And it's on sale. It's like 41% off. So I think it's $104. And this is from Kenneth, New York. I think it's a gorgeous, gorgeous coat. And then they sent me these Rebecca Minkoff gloves, and they're lovely. They're very nice. They've got the, like, you know, touch, at least I assume that's what it is, the little thumb and the finger so that you can use your smartphone while wearing these. And they're nice. I just already own knit black gloves. I wish that they would have sent me something a little more exciting, a little fun, different, eccentric. So anyway, some good items. I do think that I will probably keep at least these 2 sweaters and the coat. And I am going to exchange these fuzzy pants for a larger size, and hopefully they will fit and look cute and all that stuff. So I will leave all of the information in the description box if there was something that you wanted to check out. Also my Trunk Club referral link, which I believe gets you, I don't know, it's like $50 off or something on your first trunk. And if you have a Nordstrom card, they waive the styling fee, which I believe is $25. So I just signed up for a Nordstrom card and they're free. There's like 0 APR, so you never have to like pay anything for it, and you can get basically free boxes. Pretty good deal if you ask me. Plus, I've gotten some amazing things from my Trunk Club. They're not always great, don't get me wrong. Sometimes I get some duds, but I love that you can work with your stylist, exchange things, be like, nope, I hate everything in this trunk, please send me something else, you know? And they will. And then you don't have to leave the house. You get to try things on in the comfort of your home. I've been getting Trunk Clubs for like years now, and I love them. Anyway, all of the information will be in the description box. I hope you guys are doing well. Happy holidays, happy winter season to you. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!